Welcome back to my channel Rohan Training Institute. I Rohan Makhija taught more than 2000 students will give you demo challenge today. Let's see how many of you can solve this. So first let's make everything 0 on the instrument by putting all the lower beats down and upper beats up. Let's try a quick challenge. I'll show you a problem and you can solve it using mental math. Ready? What's 15 plus 23 minus 8? Wasn't that fun? Imagine doing this in seconds without writing it down. That's the power of Abacus that you can do on this instrument. Yes, you heard it right. So to join my classes, to know more, DM and subscribe the channel for more educational content like this. Subscribe. Thank you.